Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to avoid unpaved roads on the Maps.me application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channels, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, click to the More option at the upper right corner of the home screen. Click to the Settings button, and the Maps and Navigation section you can find the second option, the Routing option. And here go to the last, the Avoid Unpaved Roads, and if you want to turn off this function, click to the next white circle icon, and if it will be turned blue, this function will be enabled, so you can avoid the unpaved roads. If you want to turn off, click that circle again, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.